What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. Today I'm trying to fix I'm trying to finish the doors, guys. Mostly everything else is done on this car. I am so ready to be done with it, guys. Let me show y'all what we got going on the door. I gotta cut this area out. I already sanded a lot of this down and treated it, as y'all can see. So I gotta get all this cut out, guys. Man, but we're getting there. And then on the other side, I'm doing some focus camera. I'm doing some fiberglass work just on the inside of the fender well. I wasn't gonna make a video about that. I'm just knocking it out, but it's up in there. Dang, I unplugged the light. But just some little spots, just a little bit of touching up. But as y'all can see, guys, the car is almost done. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that post notification bell. That way you don't miss any videos. We'll get right into this video right after the intro. Peace.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm a top it. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
Alright, guys, now we got that out the way. I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting out. It's a little bit windy today. I'm not gonna bore y'all with that, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut the shapes out. Make sure we got enough fiberglass to get this thing done. As y'all can see, not fiberglass, sheet metal. I'm all off today, guys. I'm super tired, but we gotta get this stuff knocked out. So let's start cutting. Got that piece cut out. Wasn't too bad. Shoot. There we go. Now we're gonna rust treat behind there and paint and get it all cleaned up before we weld in. I'm ready to cut this area out. That's gonna be the scary part. Brother,
sir,
where you been at, man?
in the house.
See, guys, look, he all in the house. Ain't out here helping me do nothing. Ain't doing no B-roll or nothing, man. And little bro just pulled up.
Better work.
He finna do some work, I guess.
Get started about it.
This door's took apart, but I'm working on this side. You wanna just do the other side and go around the, don't worry about the trim, or are we gonna be bumping into each other?
No, won't do the other side.
Yeah. Alright. Getting ready to get dark, guys, but I'm getting it knocked out, and I'm gonna leave a spot right here clean to make another video to show y'all how to bring back like a messed up paint job, how to make it look good. So I'm gonna leave that there, so y'all be expecting that video. Hopefully I don't forget and sand it off. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get this whole area sanded off before it gets too late, and we'll continue.